Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to publish page in Notion. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. In order to check if your page is public or not, you will have to go right here and you will see that your page is private, which says that only you have access to this page. If you want to publish it, click on Share right here and then go under the general access and click on only people invited and change it to everyone at your workspace or anyone on the web link. So choose what you want and then simply give a full access. Now simply everyone can access this page and it is public. You can also change it to anyone on the web with a link and then you can change it to can view, to can edit even, so choose whichever you will like. You can copy this link and then it will copy to your clipboard and then simply you can send it to anyone and this page is public. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.